Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. This is the third lecture video of our web development course, and in today's video, we will talk about Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So, with further ado, we will simply go at the google.com, and at google.com, here we will search Visual Studio Code, and here is the official website of Visual Studio Code. At the top right, here is the download button, and at the download button, here are the three interfaces for Windows, Linux, and iOS. So I'm a Windows user. I will click on download button and it should be downloaded. So I'll close it because I had already downloaded it several times. So here is the VS Code user setup. We will click on the file server. Here in the download button, here is the file of VS Code user setup. You will simply download it, and when you download it, it will directly go on your desktop, and when you open the app or the website, here is the interface of your Visual Studio Code. So first of all, there is an explorer file, and in this file you will copy paste all the extracted files of web development, and in tomorrow's video we will discuss about heading elements, that what is heading element and how to extract all the files of the given heading elements. So with further ado, we will talk about heading elements. Till then, I will see you in the next lesson.